Improve your life in 2025, fun, actionable steps, and coaching. Imagine yourself smiling, with upbeat music playing in the background, standing in a bright, welcoming space. Hey friends, if you're watching this, chances are you want to make 2025 your year, a year where you take control of your life, bounce back from challenges, and create something truly amazing. Whether you're dealing with job loss, life changes, or just feeling stuck, I'm here to tell you, it's okay. You're not alone, and with the right mindset, tools, and support, you can turn things around. I'm Eric, a life coach specializing in helping people rebuild and thrive after setbacks. Stick around because today, we're diving into actionable steps to improve your life in 2025. And if you stick with me till the end, I will show you how you can join my coaching program and get personalized support. Section 1, Understanding and Overcoming Setbacks. Imagine yourself experiencing a setback in your life, like getting bad news, like discovering an unexpected bill you need to pay, or losing a job can leave you feeling stressed out. My program will show up how to find clarity in these situations and leave you smiling and feeling encouraged. The problem, let's be real, life can throw curveballs, and setbacks like job loss can feel like a punch in the gut. It's normal to feel a mix of emotions: shock, anger, anxiety, and sadness. But here's the thing, setbacks don't define you, how you respond to them does. The solution, acknowledge your feelings. First, give yourself permission to feel. Job loss or any major setback is tough, and pretending you're fine won't help. Journaling can be a great way to process those emotions. For example, Alex, one of my clients, lost his job after 15 years. At first, he was in denial, thinking he'd get a call to come back. When that didn't happen, he felt lost. I encouraged him to start journaling just 5 minutes a day to process his feelings. It helped him move from denial to acceptance. Solution: to separate your self-worth from your job. Remember, your job doesn't define who you are. You have skills, talents, and qualities beyond your work. Here is a humorous tip. Think of it this way: if your job defined your worth, does that mean everyone is worthless when they're on vacation? Of course not. Solution 3, create a daily routine. When life feels chaotic, routines bring stability. Even small things like a morning walk, meditation, or making your bed can give you a sense of control. Your call to action. If you're struggling to rebuild after a setback, check out my coaching program, where we create personalized plans to help you bounce back with confidence. Section 2, Building Resilience and Confidence. Image yourself walking outdoors. Visuals of someone working out, meditating, and talking to friends. The problem: life knocks everyone down, but the real challenge is getting back up. Building resilience means learning to bounce back stronger, and confidence comes from knowing you can handle whatever comes your way. The solution: focus on small wins. Do not wait for big breakthroughs to feel accomplished. Celebrate small wins like sending out a job application, learning a new skill, or even getting out of bed on tough days. For example, Rachel, another client of mine, was overwhelmed by the idea of finding a new job. We broke it down into small steps: update, resume, apply to one job a day, practice interview skills. Each small win boosted her confidence, and within a month, she landed a new role. Solution: to surround yourself with supportive people. You don't have to do it alone. Reach out to friends, join support groups, or work with a coach. Positive people lift you up. Pray is a humorous tip. And if someone keeps bringing you down, remember, even your phone has a block button. Solution 3, practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. You wouldn't tell a friend they're a failure, so why say it to yourself? Treat yourself with the same kindness you'd offer a loved one. Your call to action: want to learn how to build unshakable resilience. Join my 30-hour masterclass on thriving through life's challenges. Section 3, creating a vision for 2025. Image yourself at a whiteboard, writing down goals, achieving your goals, and feeling happy. The problem: without a vision, it's easy to feel stuck or directionless. Having a clear picture of what you want in 2025 gives you purpose and motivation. The solution: set SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," say, "I will work out 3 times a week for 30 minutes. Solution: to create a vision board. A vision board is a fun way to visualize your goals. Grab some magazines, cut out images that inspire you, and stick them on a board. Seeing your goals daily keeps you focused. For example, one of my clients, Mike, wanted to start his own business. He created a vision board with pictures of successful entrepreneurs, his dream office, and motivational quotes. It kept him inspired, and by the end of the year, he launched his own consulting firm. Solution 3. Review and adjust regularly. Life changes, and so do goals. Review your progress monthly and adjust as needed. Flexibility is key to long-term success. Your call to action ready to create your vision for 2025. Sign up for my coaching program, where we'll work together to map out your goals and make them a reality. Your call to action. Imagine yourself smiling with upbeat music playing in the background. This can all be possible right now. Click on the link in the description below to get started today. So, whether you're dealing with setbacks, looking to build resilience, or ready to create a powerful vision for 2025, remember, small steps lead to big changes. You don't have to do it alone. My coaching services offer personalized support, masterclasses, and a community to help you every step of the way. Click the link below to learn more and sign up. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little inspiration. Thanks for watching. You've got this.